Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Audi R8 versus Ninja. We'll explore their fundamental differences, from their design philosophies to their on-road performance. Understanding these distinctions will help you appreciate what each machine brings to the table, whether you prefer 4 wheels or 2. Let's dive into the specifics of these incredible vehicles. When it comes to raw power, both machines are exceptional. The Audi R8, with its naturally aspirated V10 engine, delivers incredible acceleration and a thrilling exhaust note. Meanwhile, a high-performance Ninja sport bike offers a power-to-weight ratio that can feel even more intense, launching you forward with astonishing force. Each provides a unique brand of speed. The experience behind the wheel of an R8 is one of refined power and sophisticated control, perfect for grand touring or track days. Conversely, riding a Ninja is a more raw, connected, and physically demanding endeavor, offering unparalleled agility. Their price points also differ significantly, reflecting their distinct engineering and market positions. Both are premium in their own right. Considering practicality, the R8 provides a more comfortable and versatile daily driver, especially with its quattro all-wheel drive. A Ninja, while less practical for carrying passengers or luggage, excels in urban environments and offers an unmatched sense of freedom. Ultimately, the choice depends on your lifestyle and what you prioritize in a high-performance vehicle. Also, be sure to check the description for a great book recommendation and other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.